Welcome back to my channel. Once again, you are watching Design Jazz. My name is Satya Sundar. Solar PV installations, off-grid installations, on-grid installations, everything we have done it. We are getting bored out of this. Yes, definitely. So we will be thinking towards a newer innovation in the solar energy. We will go for a change and we will adopt it. Yes, you are listening the right thing. The movement of sustainable India is on. So what is the movement of sustainable India? That is what India is focusing 260 gigawatt of sustainable energy, which is harnessed by solar energy, wind energy, thermal energy by 2022. So what are the different scopes are there and how it will be helpful to you, and what are the different, that is what alternative energies, that is the most benefited is the solar energy, and what is the next goal up to 2030 for the solar installers, those who are the solar installers. A big news is coming for the solar installers and the solar PV aggregators. So do not skip this video, watch this video till the end, and everything you will get what are the scopes फॉर अपकमिंग सोलर प्रोजेक्ट्स। तो बने रहिए वीडियो के अंत तक, पूरा देखिए और जाने कितना स्कोप है, क्या स्कोप है सोलर पीवी सिस्टम का, सोलर पीवी सिस्टम स्टार्टअप का इन कमिंग फ्यूचर अप टू 2030। सो बिना बात किए, विदाउट टॉकिंग मच, लेट मी गाइड यू। Out of this 260 gigawatt of sustainable energy, the promising energy is the solar energy, and government of India is thinking to go for implementation of this solar energy in the automobile sectors. Do you know India is the fourth largest country in the automobile sector in all over the world, and as it is the fourth largest country, definitely the use of the fossil fuels, that is petrol and diesel, which is running out, which will be running out one day, it will be maximum. So definitely we have to think for the future energy and we have to save the energy. So we have to go for an alternative, and the alternative, the government of India has suggested that 30% of the automobiles, the 30% Indian vehicles will be solarized and will be electric vehicles. Mainly these vehicles are called as hybrid electric vehicles. 30% of the vehicles of government of India, that is Indian roads, will be solarized by 2030. Yes, you are listening the right thing, the fact and figure I always tell, and this is the fact and figure I am telling to you. So what a great news. So hybrid electric vehicles which is powered by solar energy is the next goal of our country. And do you know Niti Aayog? You do not know what is Niti Aayog? NITI Aayog, National Institutions for Transforming India. The Niti Aayog has already suggested that it is planning that it will be banning. It is said that right now the concrete news has not come, but it is said that it will be banning the all IC engines by 2025. So if ever all these conventional petrol and diesel engines, the IC engines will be banned by the year 2025. So definitely we have to look for the alternative, and this is what the way the government of India is thinking to create the opportunity for the manufacturer company, because मैन्युफैक्चरर कंपनी जो था पहले से, अब वो क्या चाहेंगे, वो हाइब्रिड इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल बनाना चाहेंगे. And as per the recent news and recent market studies, the manufacturer of the automobile sectors in manufacturing the hybrid electric vehicles, not conventional energy, has been increased to more than 100%. So definitely the manufacturer are also willing to go for a change. So it's really appreciated. So the government of India is promoting all this manufacturing company and giving the subsidy to this manufacturer company to manufacture the hybrid electric vehicles. In some cases, the government of India also gives more than 50 to 100% subsidy to this manufacturer company. So whenever you are thinking for a change, then definitely some incentives should be there by the government of India, and the government of India is also thinking to give the incentives and subsidy for those people, those who want to manufacture the electric vehicles. One more opportunity will be there. So what is the one more opportunity? If ever the hybrid electric vehicles will be more, it will be running in the road, so definitely it has to be charged. So many charging stations have to be implemented in the Indian roads. Government of India has just announced to implement and to install 1,000 charging stations around the country in coming future. Yes, so definitely whenever you are doing a solar project, and let's say you are a project developer of the solar industries, then there is a chance for you. You can participate in the tender program. You can go for building this charging station also, right? So installations of the charging station will be a much booming business in coming future, because the vehicles will be more and the charging stations will be more, less party will be there. So you can go for participating in this tender program. So installations of the charging station will be the next booming business, along with the manufacturer of the electric vehicles. So two opportunities are coming up to the 2030. So whenever this one more opportunity I am telling you, whenever these hybrid electric vehicles will be charged by the solar energy and the charging stations, the duty cycle of the charging station will be very high and the demand will be very high. If ever the load will be more, so the charging station has to be fully charged. So charging the charging station will be the next opportunity for you if you are a solar developer. Ministry of Heavy Industry has suggested that to integrate all these charging stations to the grid connected solar PV systems, which is nearer located to the charging stations. So definitely whenever the charging station will be more, and if ever you are installing a large megawatt of power plant that is to be connected to these charging stations, so in the meanwhile you will be getting two opportunities. So what are the two opportunities? You may be getting the opportunity for installing the charging station, as well as you may be getting the opportunity to go for a large power plant and the megawatt power plant which will be placed nearer to these charging stations. So so now you may be asking, what are the policies for this? Ministry of Heavy Industries has issued the policy named as FAME, that is faster adoption of manufacturing of hybrid and electric vehicles. It has been suggested by the Government of India, but now the phase 2 has come. The FAME phase 2, faster adoption of manufacturing and hybrid electric vehicles, and it has added some more fund to this FAME phase 2 scheme, which will be promoting for the manufacturer company to go for manufacturing the hybrid electric vehicles. So, and the incentives will be more. I am not covering all the details of these policies. If you want, then you ask me, you give me in the comment section, so that I will be doing one more video for that, and I will come back with that video. The detailed policies of FAME phase 1 and phase 2 I will be discussing with you. तो बहुत बात कर लिए. I hope you like this video. If you like it, then subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and share the video as much as possible. बस चारों तरफ फैला दो. Let this knowledge be spreaded everywhere. And we again coming back with some new videos with new solar technologies, new upcoming business in the solar field, and what are the scopes for you in the solar field, in the renewable energy, the different policies, and also with some training courses. I have already started the training in the online format in this video, in this channel. So you subscribe the channel, बस channel को subscribe कर देना है, and find all these videos. I will be covering the manual design, the software design, the hands-on training. इजाज़त दीजिए मेरे को, मिलते हैं किसी और दिन. Till then, goodbye.